A must-see. This home has been well maintained. 3 bedrooms, 2-bath townhouse located in Steel Point subdivision. Just minutes from Shaw Air Force Base, restaurants and shopping. This is the Marquise 2 by Great Southern Homes. Open and spacious floor plan with lots of natural light. Luxury vinyl flooring throughout the living room area. The kitchen is spacious with granite countertops, pantry, and all appliances will convey. A beautiful and large owner's suite with walk-in closet and private bath. Equipped with an ADT security system which will convey with sale. Move-in ready. Call 803-949-8251 today in order to schedule a viewing.